Right now, during the start of the flood control controversies, there were so many individuals that were invited by the Congress and did not attend. If you remember, di ba napakarami pong contractors na inimbitahan ng Kongreso. Aba, ang ilan sa kanila ay hindi naman talaga sumipot noong unang mga pagdinig ng Kongreso. Ngayon, sabi ng Supreme Court, dapat ay may karapatang pumilit. There should be power to compel of the Congress. Otherwise, baka naman i-ignore lang yung Congress. Baka naman isawalang bahala lang yung mga pag-iimbita ng Kongreso. Ngayon po, dahil nga po may kapangyarihan ng Kongreso, ang Kamara, ang Senado, at ang mga komite nito na mag-imbita in aid of legislation, to cite someone in contempt in accordance with the rules of the Congress, the Senate, or the House, and to order the arrest of the person, necessarily may karapatan din sila to detain a person o at least to put them under detention within Congress grounds or kung saan man sila dalhin ng Kongreso.